Hey guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm literally reviewing these two products right here. Not really much so reviewing, but I'm showing you guys that I've updated my skincare routine. You know what I mean? Not skincare routine, but my foundation routine. So I used to use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer religiously, but they have discontinued this freaking concealer. So I had to find another concealer, and I'm just like, where am I supposed to find a new concealer last minute? So I already washed my face, but I need to add some moisturizer. So I'm having a little bit of discoloration going on around here. So I'm gonna take my Pond lotion and I'm just gonna add some to my face like that. My face looks a little bit round, but it's not. It's this hairstyle. I don't know what's going on. Next up, I'm gonna take my No Problem primer. It adds that extra film onto your face. So if you have like a bumpy face, or if you have like skin issues, this would be the perfect primer for you to use. So you can do like a smooth canvas, or when you're applying your foundation, or when you're applying your concealer, just when you're applying any type of product. Next up, I'm gonna take my Fenty foundation. I love Fenty Beauty so much. I'm in the color 440, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this onto my face. My face looks so round right now. I didn't gain weight. I'm just gonna take one of my Real Technique brushes, and I'm going to apply that foundation on. Okay, so the next couple steps have changed drastically. So recently I went to Ulta to replenish on my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the color dark. But guys, this concealer has been discontinued. Did you guys know this? I did not know this, that this concealer was discontinued, and I felt so salty because I was looking around and the lady was like, we don't have this concealer anymore, and I'm like, bitch, what? So I had to pick a new concealer, and that was so hard because once I find something and I like it, I stick to it, you know what I mean? So it's like, how am I supposed to stick to a new concealer when I've been using this concealer for quite some time? And if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that this concealer I've been using for quite some time. So they went and they discontinued this concealer, and this was my favorite Too Faced product. So I went ahead, I got new products, and these are now a staple in my life. So Kylie, please do not discontinue these products, because these are my favorite products right now. Like, honestly, this concealer and this setting powder together is like masterpiece. It's so natural. Combined with the Fenty Beauty foundation, it's just a masterpiece. It looks so natural, so blended, and I'm just gonna show you guys why I love these products so much. So first thing that I want to hint is that I wasn't sure what color that I wanted to get, because I was trying to see what matched my old color, but honestly, you can't base it off of color. You have to actually try it on. So I didn't get to try this on, but I picked the color that I wanted, that I thought would match. So I really like this concealer. First of all, it is so Kylie Jenner, you know? So this is what it looks like. I am in the color Almond. So, and this is what the applicator looks like. I know that this concealer has been out for such a long time, and I'm so late getting it, but if you guys haven't already purchased this concealer and you are a woman of color, you better go buy this because it is worth it. I truly believe in this concealer, and I really like this concealer. So I usually blend this concealer with a beauty sponge, so I'm just gonna take one of my beauty sponges and I'm gonna blend this out. Add some on my eyelid. Not that we're doing eyeliner or eye makeup today. I just want everything to be one color. Do you see how nicely that blends? Like, okay. And then sometimes if you feel like you're not blended well or you're not blended out well, I usually go back in with my foundation brush and I just tap it along the lines to make sure everything is blended. Next up, I'm gonna take the Kylie Jenner setting powder. So I picked Deep Dark because there are other colors that I found that would match me, but I just really wanted, I think Deep Dark mixed with me better. So when you open it up, I already opened this, but I just wanted to show you guys the color of Deep Dark. So just looks like this. So now I'm gonna tap my beauty sponge in here really lightly because it's a loose powder, and I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. And what I like about this is I know Fenty Beauty has setting powder like this too, like you'll find one that's like your skin complexion or something like that, and it will match. But I never tried the Fenty Beauty one, but I'm sure that it's amazing because everything by Fenty Beauty is just amazing because, I mean, Rihanna listens to us. But these Kylie products right here are bomb as well. And I remember I was telling my mom, like, I'm not gonna buy Kylie Jenner products. Like, I don't have to buy Kylie Jenner products, but it's clear that I need Kylie Jenner products and that Kylie Jenner loves me, and this is why she created the products just for me and not just for like everyone out there, but she really was thinking about me when she made these products. Like, not about you guys, but just about me. Like, you know, it just works well for my chocolate skin. She was thinking about me. Like, I'm her sister-in-law. Like, I'm related to Travis Scott. Y'all just don't know. I'm joking. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this everywhere. Just like that. And then I am gonna go ahead and bronze up. So everything else is the same. The only difference between my old videos and this video is that I have found a new concealer and I have found a new setting powder. And they are bomb AF. I forgot my nose. So I'm gonna take my Cover FX palette. This is the Perfector face palette. And I'm gonna take this color right over here. This is the color that I use to contour, guys, because they just don't have contour powders that are dark enough for us chocolate girls. Like, I've looked into the Kylie ones and I just really don't think that it will be dark enough for me, so I didn't even bother with it. But I could be wrong, just like I didn't really like look into her concealers like that, and now I love it. So don't knock it till you try it, I guess. And then I'm going to do my nose. Then I'm gonna go back in with some more Kylie as soon as I find my face sponge. Guys, I'm over here looking for my face sponge and it went inside the Kylie thing. See, Kylie? Everyone wants you. So I'm gonna take the sponge and dip it in the Kylie face powder, and I'm just gonna carve out my contour a little bit, just like that. And I'm going to close this up because I don't want to waste it. This is precious. This is liquid gold. You need to put it back in the package so it lasts forever. Okay, I'm I'm going to take a Urban Studio brush. I got this from Burlington Co. Factory. Ain't nobody paying money for these brushes. And I'm going to remove all that setting powder from underneath my eyes. And you see, this is why I love it, because honestly guys, it's not white. Like the translucent powders, I've used them for quite some time, and I can't really talk trash about it because that's what I've been using for so long. So, you know, but at the same time, this Kylie stuff is really up there. Look at my face. Do you see my face? Next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some blush. So black people do not blush naturally, and my mom always goes crazy and says don't add too much blush because then you're gonna look stupid, because there's no tint to, I don't blush. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me Blush. It's in the color 55 Berry. So just looks like this. That's the color. And very lightly, I'm just gonna dust it. That's not lightly, but whatever. And I'm just gonna apply some to my cheeks. You barely see it, but that's the whole point. But what's the point of putting it if you don't even see it? It's just a waste of money, right? I don't know. I just like knowing it's there, you know? Like, it's there. Like, I can see it through the camera. You may not be able to see it, but I'm used to it, so I know what it looks like. You know what I mean? So next up, I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm not going too crazy with fake lashes right now. I just want something really cute, real simple, real natural. This is gonna be a real natural look. So mascara, I add all three, okay? I add all three mascaras. I have a desired look, and I will get my desired look, okay? So first up, I'm going up with my Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal, the Carbon Black. Favorite mascara ever. So I literally just put that ish on, put it on, put it on, put it on. Boom, boom, boom. Bam, bam, bam. There's a method to my madness. You see how the brushes are on this? It evenly coats every individual strand of your lashes. And then next step, I go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So this one, the brushes, you'll just get to coat, you know, every strand, but it might not be like individually. You're just literally clumping them together. So first off, I use the Telescopic Mascara to extend the lashes. I use the Better Than Sex mascara to add volume to my lashes. There's a method to my madness, you know? So the third and final mascara is the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara, and I literally just use that one to add length onto my lashes. And it also removes all of the clumpiness from the Better Than Sex mascara as well. So I really like my three mascaras all together, just like that, just like that. And then guys, what is next? Okay, so next is highlights. I'm not sure what type of highlight that I want to use. I actually want to go in my Cover FX palette right here and use one of these two highlighters. Actually, I'm just gonna use both. Since this is a natural look, I'm just gonna go for a nice and subtle highlight. So these two mixed together give you that nice and subtle highlighted look. Add some here, add some here, just like that. And I'm gonna add some on my nose. And then I'm just gonna take my little 230 crease brush. I got this from Burlington Co. Factory as well. So I'm just gonna mix these two highlights right here, put some on my nose, put some underneath crease. Sometimes I like to put some on my lids as well. And then put some above right here and down here. Okay, my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Apply some onto my lips. Okay, so long story short, but if you are a woman of color and you're looking for new products to try out, this video is not sponsored at all because, I mean, it's just not. I paid my own money for this shit. I mean, my own money for everything. But if you are a woman of color and you're looking for some new products to try out, don't hesitate to try out Kylie's products, because I honestly was not about to buy any single one of them because I'm just like Fenty all the way. Kylie who? Kylie what? You know? But guys, I really like this, and she has a wide variety of colors for concealers and even for the setting powders. Like, you see my face, like, you just see how everything is, like, you see how it's looking, and I'm not lying. This is straight up the results. So if you are if you're in the market for a new concealer or a new setting powder, consider these two concealers and setting powder. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this video. I really like this concealer, and to be honest, I've been using the Too Faced concealer for a very long time, and I think that I like the Kylie Jenner lipstick. I think I like the Kylie Jenner concealer much better than this one. And this one is more hydrating as well, so I mean, it's better and it doesn't cause gray or under my eyes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.